Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have products to use for September by Stylevana. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so September's products just arrived. Stylevana did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. If you guys don't know, Stylevana is not a subscription box company. They are a one-stop shop for anything and everything Kbeauty and J-Beauty related. I am loving every single product that I have used from them, and again, they have pretty much everything that you can imagine, one-stop shopping on their site. You can also use my code, which is INF10 SheCrafty, and depending on how much is accumulated in your cart at checkout, you will get 10 to 15% off. I will have them all linked down below with every single product individual link as well that is going to be in this box. So for September, they have a theme, which is summer to fall equals skincare transition by Stylevana. So basically, as we are transitioning from these hot, brutal summer months to the fall season, which is my favorite season, they will have you covered with anything year-round. For J-Beauty and Kbeauty, everything skincare related, they have you covered. So let's go ahead and get in and let's see what products I'm going to be using for September. When they ship everything, it's always well protected. Nothing has ever came broken or damaged or anything like that. And, ooh, I see watermelon. I see that word watermelon, and I don't care what it is. I'm just like, ooh, watermelon. What are you? It says Sun Patch, Watermelon Outdoor Soothing. What in the world is this? Oh, they're under eye patches. Okay, soothing. It says soothing sun patch, but you can see on the back that they're like under eye patches. Okay, does it say a patch type UV protector that does not get erased during outdoor activities? So they're not just like the little under eye masks that I was thinking. It says you can attach it without it worrying of falling off during outdoor activities. A soft gel type that adheres well and does not irritate your skin. Contains watermelon to calm your skin and keep it moist. Open the pouch to remove the film. Attach it to the desired area around the eyes, cheekbones, and cheeks. Remove the patch after outdoor activities. It says outdoor sun patch that protects your skin from UV rays and keeps your skin moisturized. I've never seen that. So you just chill during outdoor activities with masks under your eyes? And there's a lot of them in here. There's 5 different packs, and then there's one set in each. So that's what they look like down inside. Let me get one open so we can see it a little bit better. So they kind of resemble like a Band-Aid. How you got like that, that fabric, and they're pretty big. And so you just stick them on your face so it helps protect from the UVs. If you have this, my only thinking is if you have these on and you're in the sun, are you going to now have like a lighter patch area from the difference of the sun, you know, because it's not on anything else? Or I wonder how that works, but that's what these look like. And it looks like you just put them on for outdoor activities. Because even at the top of this package, it has all of like those sports on the top. That is different. I've never heard of this type of product before, but it's intriguing. So we'll check it out. Now we have a product is a black rice hyaluronic cream. Ooh, and I really like this brand. Everything that I've received from this brand has been really, really good. So I'm excited. Oh, and look how cute this is. Look how cute the package is. So this guy right here is a black rice hyaluronic cream. How to use: after the toner, take an appropriate amount and spread it out from the inside of the face outward and pat to absorb. So just like any normal skin moisturizer, after cleansing and toning, apply this to your face and do a little dabble dabble until it's in, and it's probably going to feel amazing. But that is such a cute package. That's so cute. So we have that. I'm super, super excited. I enjoy moisturizers over serums any day because it just makes my face feel so moisturized, but that's just me. So now we have, it says a cream mist dual skin barrier solution. And does it tell you how to use it? I don't see any instructions on here, so I will go to their website and look, because that's a great thing. If you have a product and you're not quite sure how to use it, you can always get more information from their product description page. So I will go to this exact product and see what it says, but it says Deep Moist Skin Barrier, and it is a 3.21 fluid ounce, and it is a cream mist. So it definitely is creamy. Looks like a milky, creamy consistency inside of there. And yeah, so you have a face mist. Now we have is a vitamin E vitalizing sunscreen. It's SPF 50 plus broad spectrum. And I absolutely love sunscreen with so much skin cancer in my family. I can't stress it enough and how important it is to keep the sun rays off of our skin, because oh my goodness. So here's what it looks like. And this product right here is definitely important to me. Like I said, I have them everywhere. I definitely want to protect my skin. So I love a good sunscreen, and it's a cute little package. Perfect to drop down in anything. Your lake bag, gym bag, sporting bag, anything like that. And you can put this in your kids' backpack so they can protect their skin as well. So that's awesome. Protect your skin. Sunscreen. Definitely. Now we have is an eye care cream. Ooh. This is the packaging, and that's what it looks like inside. So I'm sure this is like any other eye cream after cleansing and toning. You just put a little bit and just dabble it underneath your eyes. I like to not only just do under my eye, I kind of go out here a hair and then I go up. I like do my whole eye area pretty much with the eye cream, because that is a sensitive area, and if it's marked just for your eyes, I definitely load up in that area. So now I have an Acne Amino Acid Mild pH 5.5 balancing for acne-prone skin. And what are you? A cleansing foam. And I actually do enjoy this brand as well. So let's get this out. So that's what it looks like out of the box. It is a really nice large size, and I can't wait to use this. So again, it's for acne-prone skin. I have one right there. So this will come in handy, especially around like that time of month when I do break out. I love using acne products at that time to kind of help calm that situation down a hair. How to use: put a moderate amount in your hand and make a rich and creamy lather. Gently massage the foam over the face, rinse with warm water. There you go. And then you can tone and do whatever else you want on your face. Now we have, and I love this brand as well, I just know that symbol right there. And this is a ginseng cleansing oil, Beauty of Joseon, I believe it says. Let's get this one out of its box. Directions: apply 1 to 2 pumps onto dry skin and gently massage in circular motions. Rinse off with a lukewarm water and wash your face with a foam cleanser. Okay, so what I do pretty much every single night is I start with a cleansing balm. So that would be the same as a cleansing oil. So with the cleansing oils, and I have used these in the past, and they do work pretty much the same as a cleansing balm. You use the cleansing oil, get all of your main makeup and stuff off, and then it's still saying to use an actual like cleanser afterwards. So this is basically where you start first to get the most of the bulk off, and then wash your face with whatever kind of cleanser or soap that you would like, and then move on with the rest of your skincare regimen or whatever you want to do to your face. But this would be where you start first. So you rinse it off with lukewarm water and then wash your face with a foaming or any other type of a cleanser. So I can't wait to put it to the test and see how it takes off my makeup. Next we have, it says Chestnut Clear Essence 100 ml. What are you? It's a mild exfoliant with AHA for normal to dry skin, soothes the dull skin. So there's the packaging. It says how to use: after using a toner, apply to the face and gently pat the product onto the skin, avoiding the eye area. Okay, and then it doesn't say anything after that, so I guess you use your toner first, then you can spray this on your face and then do whatever you normally do afterwards. Like if you use a serum or a moisturizer, you do it after the fact. So this would just be in between the toner and your final step, I guess. So there's that. I can't wait to test that out, and I will use that after my toner. And it says non-irritating, clinically proven. So there's that. And the last product in here, oh, this is the same as like this. these two products right here. This one here is a moisturizer. Oh, I'm so excited. And now I can use the cleanser and the moisturizer afterwards. So that is really, really neat. I have two products from the same brand. Ooh, and look at that packaging. Nice dark greens. Definitely matches this whole line. And I like that. So this one says Intensive Repair Cream Probiotics Moisturizer. Ooh. How to use: scoop an appropriate amount onto the palm of your hand and gently spread it on sensitive areas to absorb. Let's see if it has a scent or anything. Oh, and that's a thick one. There's not a scent, but I don't smell anything at all, but she is thick. Yes, I am. She's thick though, let me tell you. Just by pulling this out and just seeing how thick of a moisturizer, oh my gosh, I'm going to love this. Any type of like thick moisturizers, to me, I just feel like they work way better. I don't know, there's something about a good thick moisturizer that I absolutely love. So I cannot wait to get out of the shower tonight and then use my face foaming situation, then use a toner, and then I'm going to put this on my face because, oh yes, that is going to feel so good. Oh my goodness. And yeah, I still don't smell anything, but that feels amazing on my skin of my hand anyway. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes. So that is everything. Oh, wow. Yeah, that is everything that they sent for me to use for September. All right, you guys. So again, that is everything for this particular month and the products that they sent for me to test out and use for September. Again, I absolutely love, love, love Stylevana. I love all of the products that they have to offer. Again, if you do shop them, INF10 SheCrafty will get you 10 to 15% off in addition to their low prices. And yeah. So comment down below and let me know, have you ordered from Stylevana? Or do you have a cart built up and you're waiting to take that plunge? Do you have gift giving in mind for some products? Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.